Guys, obviously you guys already know. I'm gonna start off with our title. That's gonna be, that is, showing you guys all of my farm animals. What is that dude doing? He's so ugly. So obviously you guys already know from my shorts. You know those little gangsters, if you can see them. You know those little chickens, the showbirds, right there. We took one more. If you could hear that crow, that's him. If you could hear him, Romeo, such a cool dude. Look how cool he looks. Yeah, so cool. Like, yeah. Quit. We're gonna move on to the waterfowl. We'll get to all those other animals, but we're first gonna start off with DJ. Oh, okay. DJ. We thought she was a boy at first, but actually it's a girl. DJ's. So we just call her DJ. I don't know why. Now I gotta go find Daisy. Daisy! Just be asking, why didn't you with your girlies? Huh? Yep. I don't know why she's been right there. I don't know why Daisy's been right here. But this is Daisy. No, she's not sick or anything. See, it's Daisy. She's also a girl. Hi. Oh, Daisy. Oh, Daisy. Oh, Daisy. Daisy. Yeah, so her name's Daisy. And then we're gonna move on to our last waterfowl. I also gotta go find her, Lucy. She is, in fact, a goose. African goose, people would. Yeah, she is an African goose. I'll go get her. But Lucy! She is very sweet. Darn. Okay, next. Lucy, come! Lucy! Sorry, I have to play around, ring around. That's Lucy. Lucy, leave your brother alone. Lulu, quit making him mad. I guess we'll just move on to our potbelly pig. Buster. That's Buster. We can move on to the horses now. Like, yeah. Think about me. We'll just move on to the horses. So we've got Marty and Dutch. This will be the last video about the chickens before we move on to riding the horses. Which of all, you will not be seeing Marty be ridden. He's just an old man sitting in the pasture. Like, yeah, that's Marty. Pretty boy. He used to be black, but now he's like sun. This is, I don't know if you guys can see, but he's gold. He's not a Palomino, he's a buckskin. For all those horsey peoples out there. This is the one you guys are going to be seeing me ride. Dutch. He's not one of those small ponies. He's just a miniature quarter horse. So Marty's 38. He is on the edge of being 15 or 16. Yeah. Like it. So that's that. We can move on to Buck. Come. Bucky. Now we can move on to our one dog. We will be getting a puppy soon from our neighbor. But this is Buck. Buck, sit. Sit. Thank you. Stay. That's Buck. Buck, come. Good boy. Alright, you're good. Now we can move on to the cats, I guess. Just the outside ones, not the inside ones. Zorro, come here. He's a black cat. Come here. Say hi. Yeah, this is Zorro. Where is his sister? Like all the cats that are out here is his brother and his sister. I don't know if I can get the glimpse of the other two. I don't know if Oreo's inside or not. But Oreo looks like an Oreo, black and white. Xena looks just like him. Just more fur. And then we can move on to... Wait, did I never showed you guys the outside chickens. So we've got our one comment right here. We've got 3 other comments. I don't know what she's doing over here. Oh, we've also got Petunia. Off camera before I started the video, she was in here laying an egg. But yeah, this is Petunia. Petunia, come. Come. She's very special because if you look at her beak, she's missing the top of her beak. I think we'll focus on her. See? Look. Yeah. That's Petunia. This is the color egg she lays. We don't have anything else, do we? That might be it. We have more outside chickens. Do you guys really want to... I'm just going to show you guys the ugly tugglies. Some of you might say that they're pretty. I don't know. I gotta go find them though. That's the bad thing about it, is finding them. But here's all the other... right here. There's Tabasco. There's Chloe. There's Mama. She doesn't have a name. There's another comment right there. She also does not have a name. Right there. Oh, there's one of the black ones. Okay. There's another comment. There he is. See, he's looking. There's both of them, actually. Here's that one. There's that one. This one right here likes to attack me. I don't know why. But that one, his stupidity level is like 100. I'm not even joking. He's just so stupid. It's like so funny. Shut up! Ding dong. Yeah, guys, that should be it. I think later I might get on Dutch and show you guys a video. I might. But yeah, there you go. Bye-bye. Stay tuned.